Bitcoin is finally falling. I am in a massive short position. I tried to catch the top many times and took some small losses, but this time I finally caught it. My profit is already huge. If Bitcoin crashes like I expect, I will make a fortune. Today we have massive news, a new virus outbreak and missiles firing in the Middle East. But first, let's look at the charts. On the daily chart, Bitcoin printed a massive wick. This means buyers are weak. Bitcoin already dropped 4.5% to $77,000. This was my exact target. But there is still massive liquidity at $79,200. This zone matches the 0.5 Fibonacci level. We might see a small drop to grab that liquidity. If Bitcoin bounces to the 1 hour imbalance at $80,800, that is a great place to open a short. Put your stop loss at $81,200 or $81,500. My next major target is $77,000. Why? Because the 0.618 Fibonacci level is there. And the most important part, the biggest liquidity in terms of the heat map is also sits there. Let me move my camera. Yes, 77,000 is the sweetest zone right now. So exactly in this zone, I will partially fix my short position, and exactly at this zone I will partially fix my short. I already did it, so I fixed my short a little bit, as you see, so it's absolutely free position right now. My stop loss is at a break-even level and I already have some profit. That was my global short, to short the top and hold the short till lower levels. And globally I expect Bitcoin will break $60,000. And if it happens, my profit will be colossal and I will earn a fortune. Let's move to the stock market. And stock market is setting a giant trap. The S&P 500 dropped, let's check, 1% and then bounced back. But look at the options market. $2.6 trillion in call options were traded in a single day. This is an all-time record. 60% of all options are calls. This is pure euphoria. Smart money is taking profits and retail traders are buying the top. Right now, the index is testing 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and I have a tiny short position here because a crash is coming. I'm also still holding my long positions on oil. The Strait of Hormuz is blocked, oil has equal highs. Let's check Brent chart, and on this chart we see equal highs on 113 level. I expect it to break that level. When oil spikes, crypto and stock crash. Let's check gold, and gold stopped after a massive pump, and the 0.618 Fibonacci level is at 4,630. On the local time frame, the 0.618 Fibonacci level is at 4,630. You could try a long position there with a stop loss at 4,550. The target is $4,900 to $5,000, where the global 0.618 Fibonacci level is placed. Exactly this zone. I'm expecting to pump to this zone, but currently I don't have a long on gold because my focus is only on Bitcoin, but I have a global short position on gold with an excellent entry point. Let's check this position, $5,342. This is my entry point. I already fixed partially my short position, and it's purely free position for me. And after a potential bounce, I expect the continuation of the global correction. Let's check silver chart, and silver also looks bullish. After a small drop, it could break $83 and maybe even reach $99. This is $83 level, and after this, the 0.618 Fibonacci level is exactly at $99. I don't have long on silver. I have some bots. I will show it later on next videos. But as I said, my main focus right now is to catch the peak of Bitcoin. Let's talk about altcoins, and we start with Dash. Dash is dropping a little bit, but I hold it on spot. If it drops to the $30 to $35 zone, I will buy more. My targets are really huge. The first is $97, so just to break this level, and the next is 150 to break this level. And local target is 0.618 Fibonacci level. Here it's $70, but currently Dash is correcting. And we also might check local Fibonacci retracement levels, where 0.618 level is at $43.74. And exactly at these levels, at these perfect Fibonacci levels, here we also see a daily imbalance. So it's a very magnet zone for Dash right now, and at this zone you might buy. You can try a very low risk long position with stop loss level maybe here $37, but I don't recommend to long altcoins at all. It's fucking shit coins. It can dump, it can pump very quickly with very huge movements, and just trade Bitcoin on futures. And if you want to invest in altcoins, just buy on spot and hold. That's exactly what I'm doing with Dash coin. Next is Zcash. It hit $560 but missed $613. I expect one more pump to $613. When it gets there, I will open a long-term short. I will put my stop loss at $699, exactly there, and potential target is $350. Let's check our short setup. For example, we put our entry exactly at $613, put our stop loss level at $699, and risk ratio to 1 to 3 is exactly at somewhere here $350. I think it's a really good setup, and Zcash easily can drop to these levels, because previously, like 3 months ago, Zcash already dropped 70%, and it did it very quickly. Finally, let's check Chainlink, and it tested the daily imbalance here, swept the $10 level and dropped a little bit. I bought some at $7.5 and $8 and sold 20% at $9.5. I'm holding the rest, and if it drops below $7, I will buy more. My next sell target is $11 at this resistance zone. Now the news that already crashed the market and also might crash it more. So first, Iran rejects US Strait of Hormuz deal as unrealistic. This is only the first news. And after that, Iran's official state broadcaster confirms that Iran has fired missiles at US naval units in the Strait of Hormuz. And of course, the peace deal is dead. Then US attacked some Iranian territories, then Iran attacked some US ships, and as we see, Iran and the United States are in a direct military conflict. Also, Fujairah was attacked 48 hours ago. Peace talks are completely over and dead. Second, the most important news about new potential virus that is called Hantavirus. There is a massive Hantavirus outbreak on a cruise ship called the MV Hondius. There are only 147 to 149 people on board. 5 cases are confirmed. 3 people are dead, including an older couple from the Netherlands and German citizens. 1 person is in critical condition. The ship is heading to the Canary Islands for a hard quarantine. This virus can spread from human to human. Remember what happened during COVID? And the market crashed hard before starting a new bull run. This could be the trigger. So, are you holding long or short positions right now? Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I will see you tomorrow.